Welcome to my channel, students. We are going to see the exercise 2.3 under the topic polynomials. See, this is the concept here. Dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. We shall go into the question. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, see, the first option is x plus 1. First, you have to assume the given polynomial. Here I have assumed it as P of x. Just this is a notation. You can take it as Q of x, R of x, whatever you want. So here P of x equals the given polynomial. It is in the cubic polynomial. So x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. I have just taken as P of x. See, they are asking to find the remainder. And this is the this is the factor they have given. So from x plus 1, just you have to equate it to 0 to find the value of x. What is the value of x? This positive 1, when going to the other side, it becomes negative 1. So this is the factor here. So they are asking, this is the remainder. That is, find the remainder of this uh, polynomial when it is divided by x plus 1. You can use long division method, and here the concept is given here. Dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. You can use this. So here, just in the place of x, you can replace negative 1 here in this polynomial. So just use this. So negative 1 the whole cube plus 3 negative 1 square plus 3 times negative 1 and positive 1 is there. See, in this polynomial, I just substituted the place of x as negative 1. So just when solving, minus 1 cube is again minus 1, because see the odd degree, whenever you are having odd degree, the negative symbol will be as it is. And plus 3 is there, minus 1 square. What is minus 1 square? It is positive 1. And plus 3 is there again, minus 1 is there. And this positive 1 I'm writing as it is. Now what is the answer? Just you can simplify this. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 and positive 1. See here, this 3 and this 3 is getting cancelled, and 1, negative 1, positive 1 is getting cancelled. So what is the answer? The answer is 0. So here the remainder is 0. Am I clear? Now see this second option, x minus half is given. So just take this x minus half, equate it to 0, find the value of x. What is x? It is positive half. The negative half when going to the other side becomes positive half. So this x you have to apply in the polynomial, given polynomial. So p of half equals half cube plus 3 times half square plus 3 times half and positive 1. So what happens? Half cube, it is like 1 by 8. That is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Plus 3 times 1 over 2 square. So 1 by 2 2s are 4. Plus 3 times 1 over 2 plus 1. And what happens? So you can just simplify 1 over 8 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 2 and then plus 1. So this here, this 8 is the largest number. This is the LCM here. So just take LCM. So 1 will be here because 1 is having the 8 as a denominator. And here, just you have to multiply by 2 to get 8. So what happens in the numerator? 3 2s are 6 plus. Here you have to multiply by 4. So in the numerator, it becomes 3 4s are 12. And plus here you have to multiply by 8. So it is like 8. So just when adding, 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. So 27 over 8. So this is the answer. So this is the remainder when you divide this polynomial. So here 27 is not the multiple of 8. So you can just leave this as it is. Now here, let's just take 5 plus 2x equals 0. Now what is your x? Just when you take the positive 5 to the other side, it becomes negative 5. And this 2 is under multiplication onto this x. So it will go to the denominator. So minus 5 over 2 is the answer. So here, when you get, after finding this value, you just apply in the polynomial. So it is what? P of minus 5 over 2 equals minus 5 over 2 the whole cube plus, just apply here, 3 times minus 5 over 2 square plus 3 times minus 5 over 2 and positive 1. So just solve this. Minus 5 cube. It is like 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. And negative 125 will be there because odd degree, the symbol will be as it is. 2 cube is 8. And here plus 3 times here 5 square is 25 over 2 square is 4. This negative will go off. Minus 3 5s are 15 over 2 plus 1. So here minus 125 over 8 plus 3 times 25 is 75 over 4 minus 15 over 2 plus 1. So just simplify as before. Just take 8 is the LCM here. So minus 125 will be as it is. Here in the 4, just you have to multiply by 2. So 75 times 2 is 150 and minus here, this minus I have written here. 2 times 4 is 8. So 15 times 4 is what? 60 and plus 8 is there. So just you simplify this. Here negative 125 and negative 60. You can just add these two. So negative 125, I'm just writing here roughly. So negative 125, negative 60. Just adding, it will be 180, 185, negative 185. 150 plus 80 is what? Just 158 over 8 is there. Okay, so minus 150, 185 plus 158. So you have to just subtract them. The answer is negative 27 over 8. So this is the answer here. Now we will go to the next question. Here, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is given is divisible by x minus e. We have to find the remainder. Okay, so now as before, see x minus a should be equated to 0. So what is my a? My a is a constant. It is a just a. It is a. So now I've taken this q of x as this polynomial x cube minus a x square plus 6x minus a. So here in the place of x just replace a. So it will be a cube minus a times a square plus 6 times a and minus a. So here just solve this. A cube minus a into a square is what? A cube plus 6a minus a is there. So this a cube and positive and negative will be getting cancelled. So 6a minus a is what? 5a. So this is the corresponding remainder of this polynomial. So let us go to the next question. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a divisor of 3x cube plus 7x. So let us take this polynomial as r of x. R of x. What is r of x? 3x cube plus 7x. So I'm just assuming r of x. And here 7 plus 3x equals 0 to find the value of x. So write this x as it is here. This 7 I don't need, so take it to the other side, it becomes negative 7 and this 3 is under multiplication to this x, so it will become division in the other side. So this is the x value, the root, this is the factor, or this is the root, or this is the zeros. Now that is to check this 0 is the corresponding 0 to this polynomial. So just apply in the place of x, minus 7 over 3. So 3 times minus 7 over 3 cube plus 7 times 7 minus 7 over 3. What happens? So 3 times minus 7 cube over 3 cube. I can write like this. Thus I am splitting this cube to the denominator and numerator. Here minus 49 by 3 will be there after multiplying 7. Now this 3 will be getting with this cube. So the power will be changed. So minus 7 cube by 3 square will be there and minus 49 by 3 will be there. So what happens here? Minus 7 cube is what? 343 over 3 square is 3 3s are 9. So here minus 49 by 3 will be there. Just take LCM. Here LCM, the highest common multiplier is 9. So minus 343 will be there as it is. Here this 3 should be multiplied by 3 to get 9. Also this 49 should be multiplied by 3. So 9 3s are 27. 2. So 3 4s are 12. It is 147. So you have to just add everything because there are two negative symbols. So the answer will be 3 plus 7 is 10. Here 8 plus 1 9. Here 3 1 4. So 490 by 9. So this you can't divide because, and also if you divide by 9, you won't be getting the value of 0. Because see the question, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube, the given 3x cube plus 7x, the polynomial. But here, do we get the value of 0? No, we are not getting the value of 0. So you have to write no, because what? The remainder is not 0 here. The remainder is not 0. Therefore, 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So, this is the solutions of exercise 2.3. The rest of the question just you try and just comment me in the post. Thank you, students.